Hey guys, this is Malinki. Welcome back to my channel Voice of Malinki. So today we will solve problem 5 in the classical genetics problem series. And if you are new in my channel, please subscribe my channel, and if you like my video, please do like, comment and share my video. So today's question is, a man with dark curly hair and dark is dominant here. So a man with dark curly hair marries a woman with light straight hair. Their daughter, who happens to have dark hair, marries a man with light wavy hair. Answer the following questions. First one, predict the phenotypic ratio among the offspring of the daughter and her husband. B. What is the chance that they will have a child with hair just like his or her father's? And here is an important note. The gene for straight or curly or wavy hair shows incomplete dominance. So this is very important point in this question, that the gene for straight or curly or wavy hair shows incomplete dominance here. Now we will solve this problem. So dark is dominant here, that is given in the question. Dark hair is dominant here. And as dark is dominant, the light would be recessive only. So we now know that the dark has the dominant alleles and light has recessive alleles. As the gene for straight or curly or wavy hair shows incomplete dominance, the straight and curly hair will be homozygous because they show incomplete dominance. That means the straight and curly hair will be homozygous and wavy hair will be heterozygous. Therefore, father has dark, that is capital D, because we know that the dark is dominant here, and curly, that is C1 here. Capital C1 here. This is homozygous. And mother has light, small d, and straight, that means C2 here. Again it is in the homozygous condition. Now daughter will have dark hair. So daughter will have your dark hair. As she gets capital D allele from her father and small d allele from her mother. She will also have wavy hair, that is C1, as she gets C1 allele from father and C2 allele from mother. So what we can see here, that it is said that the daughter who happens to have dark hair. So it is only said that the daughter has dark hair. And here we have concluded that the genotype is capital D, small d, because she is getting capital D allele from father and small d allele from mother. And definitely she will have wavy hair because her father has C1 hair and mother has C2. So she is getting C1 genotype. That means it is the heterozygous form and she will have wavy hair. Now she marries a man with light and wavy hair. It is said in the question that she marries a man with light and wavy hair. So light means small d and wavy means C1 hair. Now we will make a cross here. So in this cross, the daughter has this genotype and the husband has this genotype. So now the gametes that will be produced from daughter are DC1, DC2, DC1, DC2. Capital D, capital C1, capital D, capital C2, small d, small c1 and small d, c2. And gametes from husband, small d, capital C1 and small d, capital C2. So these are coming from the husband. Now we will see this checkerboard. So here these 4 gametes are coming from the daughter, and these 2 gametes are coming from her husband. And here these are the genotypes that will be produced in their offspring. So first one is capital D, small d, C1, C1. That means it will have dark curly hair. Second is capital D, small d, C1, C2. That means it will have dark wavy hair. Next, small d, C1, C1. That means it will have light curly hair. Here, small d, C1, C2. It will have light wavy hair. In this case, it is having capital D, small d, C1, C2. It will have dark wavy hair. In this case, it will have capital D, small d, C2, C2. It will have dark straight hair. In this case, it will have small d, C1, C2. It will have light wavy hair. In this case, it has small d, capital C2. That means light straight hair. From this, the phenotypic ratio we will see. So the dark curly hair, it is present only once. Dark curly hair is present here. Dark wavy hair, it is found in 2 cases. Dark wavy and dark wavy. Light curly hair is found only in this case, in 1 case. Light wavy hair is found in 2 cases, this case and this case, so 2. Dark straight hair is found only in 1 case, and light straight hair is only found in 1 case. So the phenotypic ratio will be this. And now we will solving the second question, where we know that 8 kids are there, because here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 kids are there. So among 8 kids, 2 will have, among these 8 kids only 2 will have hair just like their fathers, because their father has hair that we can see here. We know that their father has light and wavy hair. Light and wavy hair. And in this case, we have seen that light and wavy hair is found in 2 cases. Therefore, 2 by 8 into 100, that is 25% chance is there that they will have a child with hair just like his or her fathers.